In all social media platforms, an image can change the game. If you are able to grab attention, then it can definitely bring very good result for you. All these videos that you are watching right now were made with this same free service. These videos created easily, but with a different point of view. In this video, I want to teach you how you can use a completely free service to create videos and images for yourself and take over social media.
The first thing we are going to do, we can go to ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other service that you personally like. We are going to tell it to create a series of images for us, to give us the prompts for them, so that we can make the video that we want. For example, one of the attractive things that can be done is this. People who in the past were famous and well known, we can ask for them to be placed in a different situation, and there we can use them. For example, in this prompt, I ask for Marie Curie to be shown in a more different situation so that we can draw her as an image and make a video with her. The first stage is going to be to create an image with it. The AI service that can do this for us for free and create videos and images for us is none other than Qwen. Qwen is a Chinese service that is related to the Alibaba company, and it can create videos and images for you for free. I go to a new conversation, and here I ask it to create the image for me. I click on Create Image. I can also set the image ratio. Since I am going to publish this video on social media, I can choose the 9:16 ratio. I paste the prompt that I copied from ChatGPT here. You can simply ask any AI service you want to write your prompt for you more precisely and more clearly and give it to you. It is enough that we give it a few seconds of time so that it can create our image for us. After a few seconds, as you can see, we have Marie Curie, whose image has been created for us, but in a very different position, in a completely new condition, it has been created. You can use all the characters who were famous in the past and use them, attract attention, and use them, just like those videos that I showed you at the beginning of the tutorial. Very easily and simply, after our work is finished with creating the image, we can click on the Create Video button. If you do this, directly you can convert that same image into a video. Again, you can ask ChatGPT to write the video generation prompt for you as well, and considering that it wrote the image generation prompt itself, it can create a much better video generation prompt for you too. We paste the same prompt that we received here and give it to it so that it can create the video for us. Let me tell you one point as well before we receive the video. As you can see, the images that are created for us have no watermark on them, and we can also download them easily. Even the downloaded version does not have a watermark on it, and it has very good quality.
If your daily limit for generating videos and images gets filled, at the beginning when you are registering in the Qwen application, it asks you which account you want to log in with. You can log in with your multiple Gmail accounts and create your images and videos. Or if you want, you can sign up in with a virtual email, and then you can create unlimited images and videos for yourself.
After a few minutes, our video was ready, and we can download it right here, or if we want, we can watch its initial version. The quality of the video as well, as you can see, is very high quality, and really for a free service, it can provide a very good result to us. It did this for me excellently and amazingly. As you yourselves can also see, every video that it creates for us is no more than 5 seconds in duration that it can create the video for us, but that is not a problem. One of the techniques by which you can create videos in a longer duration is that you can select the last frame of each video. Take either a screenshot of the last frame or export it and save one frame for yourself. And again, place that as the first frame of your next video. And in this way, be able to create longer videos.
I hope that you get the maximum benefit from this tutorial video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. As you know, until 2 weeks ago, my channel only produced content in Persian language. But now I produce content for both languages, Persian and in English. If you want, you can change the languages in the setting. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself. Goodbye.